How to edit or delete scheduled payments on TD Bank website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to change or cancel a scheduled payments in TD online banking, well here is how to do it in just a few simple taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply type TD Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now, here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply click on Login, and from the drop down menu, you simply have to select the online banking. And now, here on the login screen, you simply have to enter your username and password to log in to your TD online banking account. And here, once you are logged in with your account, you can simply go to the bill pay or the payments tab depending on your dashboard layout. And here, once you see the payment section, you can simply click scheduled payments or pending payments to view your upcoming transaction. So there, to edit a payment, you simply have to click on it and select edit, and you can change the amount, payment date, or even payee details. And to cancel a payment, you simply have to click delete or cancel and then confirm when prompted. And the payment will be removed from your schedule. And that's it. That's how you can edit or delete a scheduled payment in TD online banking. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.